Hello there, Tamara Doris here, your Sacramento real estate professional and the short sale specialist. So, I want to talk today about the importance of paperwork. You know, it's really important if you find an agent who's qualified, certified to do a short sale on your home, and you contact that agent in enough time before you have an auction date on your house, because you know the banks don't really like to postpone those auction dates. It's really important that you're prepared with your paperwork. And what I do when I take a short sale listing, assuming that it meets all the criteria, because I've stopped taking on ones that have a 2-week auction date because it's just too stressful for everyone involved, especially me. So, you know, you really need to call an agent and get your house listed. I mean, even before you're late on your payments, but especially if you've got that auction date, it's you know, you're really running against the clock, and that just doesn't work out very well. So let's just say, hypothetically, hopefully, that you haven't made your house payment in a few months, or you know you're not going to be able to make your house payment. That's kind of the scenario that we're looking at here. And you decide to find a good short sale specialist who can list your home and sell it, negotiate with a bank, and avoid foreclosure. That's our goal here. We want to avoid foreclosure. We don't want lenders coming after you for money, you know, because you owe more than your house is worth. And they say, oh, well, you still owe me that $100,000. We don't want that. So we want to avoid foreclosure. Hence, we do a short sale. Now, once you do that, at the time for me, with my clients, that we sit down at that kitchen table or wherever we may be sitting down at, and I list the home, I say, here's a list of the paperwork I'm going to need from you the minute we get an offer in. So it's going to be, I'll just tell you now, it's going to be your last 2 years tax returns or profit and loss if you have your own business. It's going to be your 2 most recent pay stubs. It's going to be your 2 most recent bank statements. Don't forget the blank pages. They want the blank pages too. And then it's going to be the financial statement that each lender is different, but basically they want to know how much money you make, how much money you spend every month, and what you spend it on. Pretty simple. And a hardship letter. And the good news is, even with HOFA these days, that you're allowed to do a hardship letter just based on the fact that, you know, your mortgage payment is too high. It's a hardship. The economy's bad. You've lost hours. You're getting a divorce. You've been sick. Whatever the case might be. So those are the things that you're going to need. And the problem that I see with some agents, and I have a lot of friends on Facebook who send me private messages, and I'm always happy to help based on my own experience and expertise. But the problem that we see with a lot of sellers is they know that they need to avoid foreclosure. They list the property, but then they're not really Johnny on the spot when it comes to getting, you know, the paperwork in. So if I list your home and I get an offer and I'm ready to rock and roll and help save you foreclosure, avoid it, but yet you can't get me, you know, your last 2 paychecks or your tax returns. You know, we need that information right away. We need that material so we can get it to the bank with the short sale package, because otherwise the bank won't even entertain the offer. So it's really important that if you have a short sale listing, that you are prepared before your agent asks for it. Hopefully your agent will tell you at the time of listing, but here's the things that you need, because, you know, getting tax returns and so forth may be a little time consuming. So be prepared to have that paperwork when it's ready. Okay, so if you have any questions about short sales in general, or specifically in Sacramento, or you want to talk to a real estate agent, give me a buzz at 916-482-5834, and have a fabulous day. Thanks for watching.